Is it time to buy or sell Amazon stock? In this video, we will explore Amazon in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 1st of May, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analyses for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please be aware that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Since the 1st of May, 2025, our system has ranked Amazon as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.35. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to see how it develops in the days ahead. Soon. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 24.14% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 36.43% to negative 24.14%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 13.61%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 0.517% to 48.89% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $191.18 and $283.18. Our latest daily update for Amazon includes the headline, Stronger Technical Forecast for Amazon Stock Price After Thursday Trading. The Amazon stock price increased by 3.13% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 1st of May, 2025, rising from $184.42 to $190.20. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 2.29%, with a day low of $187.50 and a day high of $191.80. The price has been experiencing volatility during this period, and there has been a gain of 9.1% over the last 2 weeks. Additionally, trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator with a total of 11 million more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 63 million shares changed hands for approximately $11.9 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $242.52, while the lowest price was $151.61. Currently, the price is 21.57% or $52.32 below the 52-week high, and 85.43% or $1,115 below the all-time high on January 15, 2018, when the price reached $1,305.20. Amazon recently reported strong first-quarter earnings, posting $1.59 per share, which surpassed expectations of $1.35. This reflects a notable increase from $1.13 a year prior. However, the company also issued a forecast for the second quarter that was weaker than anticipated, resulting in a decline in its share price after hours. Despite an overall revenue growth of 9% and impressive growth in Amazon Web Services at 17%, concerns about slowing cloud revenue and tariff risks are putting pressure on the stock. In the immediate term, these mixed results are likely to create volatility in Amazon stock as investors respond to the disappointing guidance. While the positive earnings beat could provide support in the short term, the weak forecast raises uncertainties for the coming quarter. Long-term implications may include investor caution regarding Amazon's growth trajectory, especially in comparison to peers like Meta and Microsoft, which have demonstrated stronger performance. CEO Andy Jassy remains optimistic about navigating tariff uncertainties, emphasizing that the company could emerge stronger. However, concerns about capital expenditures and free cash flow could dampen investor sentiment if not addressed. As the market digests these factors, Amazon stock may experience fluctuating momentum in the upcoming weeks, influenced by broader trends in the tech sector and consumer sentiment in e-commerce. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 28th of April, 2025, it was reported that Oppenheimer assigned Amazon a rating of outperform, alongside a hold action. On Wednesday, the 23rd of April, 2025, it was reported that Telsey Advisory also gave Amazon a rating of outperform with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 22nd of April, 2025, it was reported that Bank of America Securities rated Amazon as buy with a hold action. On the same day, Tuesday, the 22nd of April, 2025, Raymond James rated Amazon as outperform, but issued a downgrade action. On Thursday, the 3rd of April, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup rated Amazon as buy, along with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Amazon stock. They have classified the price-to-earnings ratio as sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. However, for return on investment, the analysts have awarded the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Amazon. Today, the chart displays mostly positive signals. The stock of Amazon shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a favorable outlook. However, there is a general sell signal stemming from the relationship between these averages, as the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. In the event of a downward direction, support is anticipated at $186.55 and $187.35. Should the stock fall below either of these levels, sell signals will be triggered. A buy signal was noted from a pivot bottom point on Monday, the 21st of April, 2025, and thus far, the stock has increased by 13.67%. Further growth is suggested until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. The volume is rising alongside the price, which is considered a strong technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 9 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 17 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 51 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 47 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 37 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Amazon. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $178.41 and $175.26. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this level is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, Amazon finds support just below today's level at $178.41. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $175.26 and $171. This stock has average movements during the day, and, with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved $4.30 between high and low, or 2.29%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 2.68%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Amazon, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This is a relatively typical PE ratio frequently observed in companies with long histories or stable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 1st of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $1.35. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Amazon. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Amazon is at $191.10. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, Amazon faces its first support level at $178.41. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Amazon from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 1st of April, 2025, Harrington Douglas J. conducted an insider sale of 2,500 shares of common stock with a par value of 1 cent per share. On the 12th of March, 2025, Noyi Indra K. conducted an insider purchase of 4,806 shares of a restricted stock unit award. On the 3rd of March, 2025, Harrington Douglas J. conducted another insider sale of 2,500 shares of common stock with a par value of 1 cent per share. On the 3rd of March, 2025, Bezos Jeffrey P. conducted an insider sale of 239,843 shares of common stock with a par value of 1 cent per share. On the 4th of March, 2025, Bezos Jeffrey P. conducted an insider sale of 56,339 shares of common stock with a par value of 1 cent per share. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 53.339. In total, insiders purchased 221,486 shares and sold 747,262 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $182.90, representing a decrease of 3.84%. This stock experiences medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal that has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 8 days ago. Is Amazon stock a good buy? Several short-term signals are positive. Despite the stock being in a downward trend, we conclude that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there's a fair chance for the stock to perform well in the near future. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a sell recommendation to a buy candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 2nd of May, we expect Amazon to open lower by approximately 37 cents and start trading at $189.83. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and assume responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day, with warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.